The plastic piercing set helps you perform high-quality plastic tab repairs. Starting from the beginning, we will repair this broken tab. First we remove the paint locally with the DA sander. Then we start with the fusioning on the plastic strip. First from the top side. Pressing it with the plastic pliers. Then we make a bridge to the other side. And press it into shape and also to cool it off. The next we will fusion on the lower part with a strip for reinforcement. Once the general shape is achieved, we press the form into shape with the plastic pliers. Afterwards we form the outside shape of the tab with the sander. We also sand on top and bottom of the tab to attain the right thickness, so that it will fit into the tab holder. Now we select the ideal tip for the piercing pliers. There is a selection of tips available, from different round shapes to square shape tip, and different sizes of rectangular shapes. With the right tip selected, we pierce the opening into the tab. If the tab is larger, you can pierce multiple times to attain the right shape and dimension. Any minor modification or fine-tuning of the opening can be done with the different type of plastic files which are included in the plastic piercing set. For more information on how to repair plastics, check out our online e-modules. Go to www.vtaginnovation.com. Go to Training and select e-modules. Select the plastic icon. Now you have a range of modules to select to help improve your plastic repair skills. Thanks for watching.